somebody.
Hi guys, good morning. Can you hear me? I hope you can hear me because I'm standing. We have sitting down outside to make this intro vlog, the intro video. So the thing is that I am in Dubai. I'm sure you've seen it by now, noticed it by now. I'm in Dubai. That is the UAE. Yeah, and I've been here for a day and a half. I came in yesterday. Yeah, I came in yesterday morning. Yes. So I was supposed to come in on Wednesday actually, but my flight got delayed till Friday. I was supposed to travel Tuesday. Tuesday, get to Dubai on Wednesday, or I traveled on Thursday, got to Dubai on Friday. Due to some flight, I'm gonna make a video about that flight thing so you guys can understand how stressed I was and how hard it was for me. So I am currently in Dubai. I've not really started exploring it. Now I've been to Dubai a lot of times, but I was in Dubai last in 2017. Once I was in Dubai. So it's been like 5 years since I've been to Dubai because I went to medical school and I've not traveled again, like apart from the US and Dominica I was traveling to. So when I came here last, there's a lot of change. Like a lot of things have changed in Dubai than when I was here last. But before that, I come to Dubai almost every year with my family because that was like our home basically, because Roxy has a company here and everything like that. So we're always coming here once in a year or once in 2 years and all those things. So my life is like country that I've checked my passport. You see that I've been here up to 7 or 8 times. So this will be like my 9th time. I can't really remember. I'll check and I'll count that I've been to Dubai. But so this morning I want to go make breakfast for my mom and my siblings. I'm thinking of making bread, eggs, sausage, and tea. Then I'm going to go out. So I'll carry my camera to show you guys like where we're going to. But for now, I want to go make breakfast and I'll start the vlog. So before I go, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. To make some eggs, I'll bring out the bread here. I'll bring out the sausage from the freezer and fry some eggs and bread with tea. The water is melting. I want to melt everything and now separate it, so I'll use it as I fry. Then this is the egg, already broken it. This is salt, stay here. And then the chemical cubes, eggs, then sausage that I want to fry too. This is what everyone. With more ice.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Hi guys, so I'm done eating and I want to like edit a few minutes or hours of my video because I'm supposed to go out today and I just want to just get something done because I have a lot of videos I want to upload and I've not started working on them. So right now I want to just work on my travel, like the other travel vlog that I told you guys about, the one of the real travel vlog, and then start working on this one. So my plan is to work, upload, schedule, work, upload, like edit, upload, schedule, edit, upload, schedule. That's what I plan to do. See, every time is red. So let me edit this video. Today now, if the vlog is long enough, I'll just upload it as one, then I'll start another one tomorrow. Like, let's just see how it goes. So I want to start editing, and the thing about drinking tea in the morning is that after drinking tea one will feel sleepy, so that's why I'm using this to wake myself up, because I want my spirit to be down and then I want to enjoy like the outing we're going for. So Mom's just gonna have my bath because we want to go out. We're supposed to go and see the swimming pool that, if you see where I'm standing my camera right now, it's a very scary thing. We're supposed to go and see the swimming pool of the apartment. So we'll do that, then we'll go out. So there's this place my younger sister went when she was a baby, which I think it's, I don't know, should they ride camels and they ride ponies. So we're taking Bella there because Bella hasn't done that before, but Ore has done that before. So we're taking Bella there now. And then I think we're going to go to another place. I'll try to take you guys around the hotel. But this is me about to have my bath. Where's the shower cup? So I went to get my shower cup and what a shower. Normally I usually put my soap on my face before I go into the bathroom, but the soap is already in the bathroom and I don't want to strip for you guys. So I'm going to be doing the whole face in the bathroom. Okay guys, see you. Hi guys, so I'm done showering. Hey guys, so this is how I look. Have you seen it? This is how I look going out. We're going to Dubai Mall and what's your glasses? Okay, not pause. Yeah, go, let me add this to the video. They are all angry. Bella, show your face. Are you angry? Who made you angry? Mommy made you angry. So guys, we're going to Dubai Mall. Alright, show your face. Bella, see the camera. Bella is angry. We're going to Dubai. My brother's system spoiled as blue, so we want to see if we can like fix it in the Apple store or exchange it or something. So we're going to Dubai Mall. So from there we'll just check Dubai Mall out and hold Bella. And then I think we're going to another place again. I'm not sure. I'm wearing a simple drawing. It's hot. It's kind of hot here. So I'm looking a bit. She's walking fast, please. So I'm looking. See the baby crying. See baby Bella. Uncle Buta. She's just here crying up and down. I will show Joe that you are a baby. I'll show Joe boy that Bella is crying like a baby. Bring your hand. Let me hold your hand. You lost here. You get missing.
Your attention terminates here.
Where's the baby food? Is he holding a baby food? Okay. So you want to get, which one do you want to do? Get card or recharge?
10 I will get, carry us go and come back. No money in the card. And
no money for the card.
No money for the card. Then we'll have to buy new card.
So you want to get card for me and Ore? 10 dirhams. How much is that? Okay.
New card. 25 25 Regular price. Regular.
Regular now. Is it different from regular?
22 dollars. Don't know the one.
That what to do that one.
I'm not traveling with you again.
Okay, how much is that? Len, see, you put the card like this, have you? Then you pass. You do your own. You never even do your own. Oh God, I'm messy. So they went through the elevator. I'm using the escalator because why not? I've not entered a train since 2020 when I was in the US. I entered the train. I think where we're going to that, I've forgotten. I entered a train, but since then I have not entered any train. So it's good I'm entering one now. Can you see the train? Look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at it, it's big. See the big train. See this big train. Can you see people inside? You're not my friend. Hello. It's my own though. It's my bag. It's dirty. Every time, 200, every time, 200.
Yeah, but that is not at the park.
Who have you left?
Train transport and such again. Is it the Amore class?
المحطة القادمة هي Mac. The next station is Mac.
So we're in a bus. We're going to final destination Dubai Mall. Already looks at me that I'm making a video. Like I know she wants to be a vlogger in her heart, but my father said no, not now. So you see Bella is taking my uncle's leg. Every time, 2 hands. Every time, 2 hands. Every time. What the fuck? Who she does that?
So how do you go?
I wanted to use my camera before, like my camera and not my phone, but it seems like it's so stressful holding camera, so I'm going to just start using my phone now. So I'm switching. I want to check the Apple store for a charger. I think I want to check for earpiece too alongside. So this is Dubai Mall. Can you see how beautiful this is? Let's see. Yeah, I've done that to my phone too. So guys, imagine when we got to the Apple store, they were like, my brother's laptop will cost $200 and something to fix, and that's the screen, no. But we didn't do that again because I was like, you can always get a new one in the US or something. So 2,000 and something dirhams, which is about $600 or so to fix, which can also, you just need to add more money, like extra half of that, and get a new one, right? So I'm like, if you just, we won't get to the US, we'll figure out, so I'm getting another one, and then maybe we can sell this one in Nigeria or give it out to somebody that will fix it and use it. So I was able to get my charger cord and charger head, because the ones I buy in Nigeria seems to always want to spoil. So like what I used to do before was I always buy charger head and charger cord in the US, but because I have not traveled since 2020, I have not bought, so I've just buying Nigeria. I'll spend 7k on charger and then to spoil after like 1 week. The other day I bought charger cord and head for 7,500, and it spoiled the same day I bought it. I took it back again and it spoiled again the next day. Like, so I told myself I'm going to buy charger head here, and I was supposed to buy one for my boyfriend because he gave me money to buy for him, but the price of boyfriend was more, because so the charger head and charger cord is about 79 dirhams, which is about $21. So I was able to buy 2 cords and 1 head, and when I get home I'll talk to him about it, and maybe he'll send the money for the extra head so he can use charger head too. So right now we're looking for, how are we going to save? I told my mom to get Bella a stroller because she is stressful. She's walking slow. Like, check my, she's at the back with my uncle. She's walking very slow. I don't know. So let's get a stroller so she can sit on the stroller and she can move around. Do you understand? But see you soon. I will shift.
I have plenty change for. Where is it? So many got.
More than
So
2 or 3 years. Never do anything to
No bad chicken.
there's burger now.
Why do you call this?
Alright, shift. Alright, shift from there, like. She's scared of you. She is not scared. She said she's not scared. So guys, we came to Payless. Can you see? Payless is in Dominica, so I know Payless like very well. So I like their shoes. Their shoes are good and Payless, right? So we picked this one and this one for Bella, and Ore wants to also pick some for herself too. My feet are hurting me, my hips are hurting me because I've not done this type of work in a long time. I think that's why my whole body is like paining me. So guys, we're leaving here now. It's what's the time? It's like past 7, maybe past 8. Let me check. What's the time? Yeah, so it's past 7 and we're leaving Dubai Mall. Mom still wants to go to fish market to buy some like food stuff like chicken, pepper, tomatoes. We've not bought all those, so we're going there now. But me, I'm going to proceed to the hotel with my sisters because I'm exhausted. So alright, you know me it. Let me show you guys the view. Isn't Dubai a beautiful country? God. You guys see how beautiful Dubai is. Huh? So we're going back in the metro. I like the idea of the metro. I don't like the idea of the taxi though, but I think I like the metro more. Hi guys. So we are back. Already so stupid. Already took the key and said she's not going to carry the bag, and I said okay, let's leave the bag and go. And she went away with the key. Anyway guys, we're back home. I'm going to end this vlog here. If there's anything I need to add, maybe dinner, I'll do that. But I don't think I want to eat because we're all eating burger and we're full. So I want to go home. Huh? Come. Oju catch you. You come. So we're planning to add again, maybe cooking or anything else. I'll add it. Else, see you guys in the next vlog. So guys, I said I was going to add anything that comes up. So my mom still went to get some foodstuffs. They said tomato looks fresh, good, like it's strong and fine. I'm not blocking it. Then she got parboiled rice. This is basmati rice. She got regular like parboiled rice. She got some strawberries or you wanted to just take one and have to put on taking one. See, she already opened it. Okay. She bought strawberries, banana, and plantain. Yeah. And then don't know what this is. What's that? I think that's watermelon, onion, and some other things. This looks like chicken or beef. I want to arrange it before. So I want to arrange it before I sleep or continue my editing my YouTube videos I'm already working on. So let me already arranging it. See how it's my arranging partner. Do your piece now. I got her to take strawberry. She opened it. Oh, her shoe. Mom took the shoe that she bought for her. I said it's adult shoe. So she's sad that the shoe is gone. But anyway guys, when I'm done, see you later. Hey guys, we're about to make pasta, spaghetti. Can you guys see? We have tomatoes here. Always about to boil the eggs and everything.